Good morning, my dear kids. So, how are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine, isn't it? So, did you have your breakfast? Yes, I hope you all had your yummy, tasty breakfast, right? Okay, so today we are going to see the sixth chapter. What's the topic? Weather, correct? So, the topic is weather. So in this chapter, what are the things we are going to learn? So we are going to learn about weathers. Weather means you all know that it will change every day, isn't it? So weather in that sunny day, windy day, cloudy day and rainy day we are going to see in this chapter. And also the next topic is seasons, right? And also we are going to see about the types of seasons. Okay, my dear kids. So, shall we go into the class? Okay, so all of you take page number 89. Page number 89. Okay, shall we start? So, okay, children, be active in the class. So, the first topic is weather. So, you all know that weather means it will change every day, isn't it? It will not be in a constant position. Okay, my dear kids, it will change every day. So, maybe in the morning it will be sunny and maybe in the evening it will be cloudy or rainy. It will change us every day. So, weather is the condition of air around us. Okay, so it will change every day. It's not the same throughout the year. Okay, it will change every day. So, weather is the condition of air around us. The sun, the wind and the clouds cause the change in weather. The weather is not the same throughout the year. It can be sunny, windy, rainy or cloudy. Maybe in the morning it will be sunny. Maybe in the evening it will be rainy. So it's not the constant one. Okay, it will change us every day. Maybe in the same day also it will change us. Depends on the hours. Okay, maybe in the morning, evening it will change. Depends upon. Okay. First, we are going to see about sunny day. So, sunny day means how it will be. Sunny day means it will be very hot and very much dry, isn't it? So, that is sunny. During that sunny day, we will be feeling very sweating, very hot. We can't able to ride a bike. We can't able to go a walk because of that sunny, isn't it? So, and also in that hot season, sunny season, we will feel more thirsty, right? Maybe in the half an hour interval, we need more water for drinking, right? We will feel more thirsty. So, and that sunny days and all, we will drink more plenty of water. Okay, my dear kids. So, sunny days means it is hot and dry on a sunny day. As it is hot, we feel very thirsty. We should drink plenty of water on a sunny day. Okay, my dear kids. Take the next page. Page number 90. Windy day. Windy day means on that day the winds will be very strong, isn't it? So some wind, someday it will be very pleasant and someday it will be very strong. Like storm, isn't it? Which means high wind, heavy wind. Okay. On a windy day, the wind can be very strong. It can also be very gentle and pleasant. Cloudy day means on that cloudy days, white or dark clouds will be appear in the sky. See this white and dark clouds. So in that day, the sun will not be shown directly. The sun will be hides behind the clouds. See, the cloud is here means the sun will hide behind the clouds, right? So a cloudy day means we will feel very cool on that cloudy days. Okay, because there will be no sun, so we will not feel very hot. On that days and all, we will feel very cool. Okay, my dear kids. So cloudy day means Many white or dark clouds cover the sky on a cloudy day. The sun hides behind the clouds. Sometimes it is cool on a cloudy day. Okay, ma? So then finally rainy. Rainy day means you all know that it will rain, and on that day we will use raincoats or umbrella when we are going out. Isn't it? So rainy day, on a rainy day it rains. See this girl, she is enjoying by seeing in the window how it's raining and she is enjoying, right? So people use an umbrella or a raincoat when they go out. These are all about weather. So weather is the air, condition of air around us. Weather changes every day. It's not constant. It will be sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. Isn't it? Okay, these are all about weather. And next heading is seasons. So season means the same type of weather will exist for a longer period of time. That is said as seasons. Okay, so weather means it will change us every day, right? Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, like that it will change us. But season means for a long period of time it will be the same weather. Sunny means summer, right? Sunny means summer season. So summer season means it will last for 3 or 4 months. So it will last for a long period of time. The same weather will be exist. That is said as seasons. Okay, my dear kids. So, and we are having 3 main seasons, okay, in our country. Which is our country? India. Very good. So India is our country. So mainly we are having 3 types of seasons. What are they? Summer, winter, and rainy. That is monsoon. Okay, my dear kids. So season means when we have the same type of weather for a long period of time. For a long period of time, we call it a season. Each part of the world have some type of season all around the year, which means in our country we will be having summer, winter, monsoon, everything, right? So when we are comparing with the other countries, some countries they will be having only winter season, only summer season, only rainy season, right? So it will depends upon the countries, okay? It will change depends upon the countries. So first is summer. First we are going to see is summer. You all know that when the weather is hot, we will call it as summer. Okay, in that summer season, the sun will shine very brighter and the season will be very dry and we will be feeling very sweating, very thirsty because of the dryness and hotness. Okay, my dear kids, in that summer seasons, our schools will be closed for summer vacation, right? So in that seasons, people like to drink more juice, more water, ice creams. They will be having more melons, right? And also in that seasons, we will like to wear loose cotton clothes, right? Because in that seasons and all, we will be having more sweating. So we will wear loose cotton clothes during that summer season. And also in summer season, we like to swim, right? Because we will be feeling very hot. If we are swimming, we will be feeling very comfortable, isn't it? These are all about summer, okay? So summer means the weather will be very hot and in that season the sun will shine very bright and we will be feeling very dryness, hotness. And in that summer season we need more drinks, right? Cool drinks, which means melon juice varieties we will be prefer mostly, okay ma? And also ice creams. And we like to swim because we will be feeling very heat. If we are swimming, we will be feeling very comfortable, right? And also in that summer season, we will wear very loose cotton clothes to avoid sweating. Okay, so first point you see here, summer. When the weather is hot, we call it summer. The next page, 91. The sun shines brightly. Days become warmer and longer. Schools close for summer vacation. People like to go to the beach. We enjoy swimming in summer. We wear loose cotton clothes. We like to have ice cream and cool drinks in summer. We get melons and mangoes in summer. Okay, my dear kids. So, did you all understood about this? Summer. Shall we move to the next one? Winter. So, when the weather is hot, we call it as summer. When the weather is cold, we call it as winter. That's the difference, okay? So, in that cool season, during that season, cold winds will blow, and then we will be using room heaters because we will feel very cold. So, in order to reduce that, we will use room heaters to make us warm. Okay, on that winter season, we will be wearing the woolen clothes and we will be eating the hot foods, right? So, if you are eating hot foods, it will help us to reduce the chillness in our body. And then during winter season, what's the main festivals we will be celebrating? It's Christmas, right? So in some places it snows in winter, right? In our places, in the north and all, north side means in Kashmir, Delhi, Manali, in that areas and all, during the winter season, the ice will snows, okay? And then yeah, you children, you will be enjoying by making snowman with snow. Okay, see, winter season, it denotes the Christmas season and she is wearing sweaters and hot soup in order to reduce the chillness in the body. So, winter means the climate will be, the weather will be very cool. That is called winter. Okay, in that season, we like to wear woolen clothes, and in that season, the main festival we will be celebrating is Christmas. And also on that seasons, we like to drink more hot soups in order to reduce the chillness in our body. And also we will be using the room heater to make us warm. Okay, so here you read winter. When the weather is cold, we call it winter. Cold winds blow during winter. Days are shorter. We use room heaters to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes. We like to have hot food. Christmas is a festival we celebrate during winter. In some places, it snows in winter. Children enjoy making a snowman with snow. Okay, my dear kids, all of you turn the next page. Now we are going to see a rainy season. So rainy season means it's also called as monsoon. So in that season, the clouds will be like dark, isn't it? And then during rainy season, sometimes there will be lightning as well as there will be thunder, right? So lightning is there means obviously there will be a thunder. Once the lightning appears, immediately the thunder will arise, isn't it? Thunder will be heard by us. And also during that rainy seasons, we will be using umbrella and also we will wear raincoats, right? When we are going out. And then on that rainy seasons, what we like to have? We like to have hot soup, coffee or tea or food that is hot. Very good. So that's all about rainy season. Rainy season is also called monsoon. During this season, dark clouds appear in the sky. Sometimes there is lightning and thunder. We use umbrellas or wear raincoats when we have to go out in the rain. On a rainy day, we like to drink soup, hot soup, coffee or tea and eat food that is hot. Okay, ma? And then autumn. So autumn means the trees will shed their leaves, okay? And in that season, the weather will not be neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, that's all about autumn. In autumn, trees shed their leaves. The weather is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, then spring means in the autumn season, the leaves will shed their leaves, right? The trees will shed their leaves. And in the spring season, the new leaves will be rise. And also the flowers will bloom. And this season will be very colorful because the trees, they are blooming the flowers, right? So the season will be more colorful. And when it comes between winter and summer. Okay, my dear kids. So in spring, the trees grow new leaves again. Flowers bloom. The season is colorful. It comes between winter and summer. Okay, my dear kids. So what are the subjects we studied today? What are the topics? So the heading is weather. And we learned about weather. Weather means it will change us every day. It will be sunny or rainy or windy or cloudy. And also we learned about seasons, right? So we are having 5 seasons: summer, winter, monsoon, autumn and then spring. What are the main seasons we are having in India? Summer, winter and monsoon. Okay, so everything I explained today. So keep learning and keep reading. Okay, if you're having any doubt, you can contact me. Okay, then shall I wind up the class? Okay, my dear kids. Bye-bye. Take care.